Crude oil and net gas yesterday have shown a little retracement, little rise after series of bearish candles on the daily charts. We had mentioned in our title yesterday that appears that oil and gas have bottomed here and there is a possibility of reversal. So should we see this as a complete reversal? Can we expect oil and gas to rise further, or this is just a retracement and there is a possibility of another round of correction here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel in the world to provide you twice a day updates for crude oil and net gas, such that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US session. And see here, not we are not just discussing any you can say glamorous things, but yes, we are going into pure detailing and technicals here. Thus it might appear boring to you, however the details offered are definitely going to be meaningful for your logical decisions every day. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free telegram channel for live market updates, join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till. Now, oil on the hourly chart, see the good rise here, then the quick dump, again a rise. And see, this is how it has been trading. This is higher highs, higher lows. Now, pretty important. See this, pretty important for oil to break beyond 66.5, 66.6. This is a very good resistance zone. And if at all oil decides to trade above 66.5, 66.6, be careful till 67. A move above 67 will confirm a complete reversal here. Till 67, you have to be watchful. What's happening? Quick dump, then a rise. Now it could take a hit again. However, I will only now recommend you to sell if you see it is staying below 65.8. And even if it trades below 65.8. Now see this. Why 65.3 was important? I have shared this yesterday that till 65.3 do not take a sell. What has happened? Hitting 65.3, a quick reversal is seen here. This is the beauty of support levels. Moving averages trading with divergence. Stochastic has dropped a bit while the MACD is still rising, still in green. The RSI is staying flat, not indicating much here. On the 2 hour charts, when you similar observation on the 2 hour charts, the crossover on the moving average is a very important thing. Now see, good drop, sharp recovery, sideways movement, again trying to bounce back. See, it has found its support here now at 66, 65.8. First bullish candle. I'll wait for the next candle. And if you see it is staying beyond 66.5, 66.6, stay with the buys. It is going to deliver another round of rise here. Notice this. I have shared this yesterday as well. See, it has formed a very good support here, 4 candles, and now it is on the up move. Possibility exists that we may see it breaking beyond 67 soon, but let it gather some strength, let it breach past the resistances one by one. If you see the moving average is definitely staying bullish, the stochastic is at top as well. And when you see the MACD crossing over at the bottom, it is looking upwards, trading bullish. The RSI is staying flat. On the 3 hour charts, when you see on the 3 hour charts what's happening, nothing extraordinary, similar observation what we had seen on the 1H2. It very important for oil to trade beyond 66.5, 66.6. Else also I can see this, if it trades now below 65.8, see bullishness getting diminished, and then this could be the beginning of the reversal as well. Possibility exists here, but till 65.3 is not taken, we should not be treating oil as bearish. That is pretty clear. So even if you see it is staying below 65.8, yes, you can take a sell entry there, but then 65.5, 65.3 is the zone it has to breach. Only and only if it trades below 65.5, 65.3, we can expect a good round of drop again. If you see the stochastic, this is getting overbought. The MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence and bullishness. The RSI staying flat. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. See, on the upside, resistances are pretty strong, and thus once it breaches past these resistances, more bullishness should prevail. Now, right now I can see a struggle. It is possible that it is after the drop, this was the retracement, and it can take a dump again, and hence I will say till 66.5, 66.6, do not initiate a buy. But another way to look at it is, look at this. See this move, drop, retracement. Now this second round of drop has appeared, means it could move towards the top. This is a W formation, and hence once it trades beyond 66.5, 66.6, expect 67, and this time staying above 67, we are heading above 68 as well. Stochastic is top here, the MACD rising, the RSI rising here. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, couple of observations here to say share. See, this we have highlighted it several times, every day, every update on the weekly and analysis as well. that till 64, 63.6 is not taken, we should not be treating oil as bearish. This is pretty clear here. Yes, what we had seen since then, we had seen it taking the support, we have seen a rise, then a retracement. Now see what it is trying to do. This is again possible that it is trying to stay in this retracement channel itself, where the next move is going to take it above 70. Now look at the last few candles here. See the base is getting lower. Very, very important. Today's candle is going to be the decision factor and decisive factor here. Yes, if it trades beyond 66.5, 66.6 and 67, we can consider that it is definitely going to reverse here, where the next move is going to be all the way above 68, 69.2 and 70. There is a strong possibility to it. And yes, if you look at the move here, this could become reversal. See, right now I can see the symmetry here and the resistance from 20 period. Thus today's candle is going to be again the decisive factor here, which will decide the direction oil wants to take. And hence you have to be very, very cautious today. Stochastic trying to rise. The MACD has hit a bottom here. It is staying flat, neither bullish nor bearish. RSI trying to look up. So considering this, I will recommend a buying entry now at 66.5, 66.6 only, with the caution note, and the resistance is still 67. Till 67 it can pull back, it can drop again, and hence you have to be cautious. Beyond 67, I look forward to 67.4, 67.8, 68, and 168 is taken. Sky is the limit. In the coming week we are hitting 69 and 70 as well. On the downside now, the selling entry I will recommend, though you can take a sell at 65.7, but then 65.4, 65.3 is the level it has to break. Only and only if oil trades below 65.3 and then 65. If these two levels are taken, then you can say this is a reversal and the bears are back. Then 64.5, 64.2 and 64, the next key support levels here. Any drop below 64 is an indication of a greater correction towards 63.6, 63, 62 and 60. The levels at 64, 63.6 is what you should be careful of. As long as these levels are not taken, do not treat this as bearish. Before we proceed further now, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts 1st of September. Connect with me for your queries. Yes, it is very, very important for you to invest in learning first so that you can increase your winning trades. You can identify the winning trades with ease. Join the mentorship batch. Else, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can profit. And it is also equally important for you to have a trusted partner which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now let's move to natural gas. See, natural gas here on the hourly charts, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now it is still staying bearish, but most importantly, it has found its support at 3.1. Now, very, very important for gas to breach below 3.1. And also we know that there is a very strong psychological number at 3. Yes, it is possible that today it might stay flat and in the coming week it opens bearish, hitting the lows at 3, bounces back. Yes, this possibility exists strong because we have seen in the recent past $3 zone offering it a very, very good support. This complete zone between 2.94 and 3 has been extremely strong support for net gas. But in fact, the current levels are not that weak. Now see, if you look at the charts here, see the drop and the support here. The support till 3.1 is pretty strong, and that is the only level below which you can expect more bearishness. Now 3.1 and on the upside 3.2. So this zone is very, very critical for net gas to come out of. Right now it is staying in the zone. Stochastic has dropped as well. The MACD has retraced. It is now convergent but not yet crossed over. RSI is staying bearish, looking downwards. On the 2-hour chart, see on the 2-hour charts a flat base retracement. Now looking downwards, very, very important for oil to trade below 3.1, below which more bearishness should follow. What has happened? See, it was trading with divergence from 20 period. It has hit 20 period and now taking a dip again. While at the same time, now notice any move beyond 3.16 and 3.2 should confirm a further rise here towards 3.25, 3.3. Till 3.3, it's not bullish. Stochastic flat, the MACD rising, the RSI flat here. Coming to 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour chart, similar observation, but this is very important for me. This is very crucial for me. It has formed a very strong base here, and this is a flat base. Now, flat base holds a very good, you can say, support here. Now, only and only if net gas trades below 3.1, I can expect further correction here. Else, Right now it is retracing, and a move beyond 3.16 should again take it towards 3.2, and any move beyond 3.2 is a good sign for further bullishness today. Stochastic dropping here while the MACD after hitting the bottom crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness, and the RSI is staying close to the bottom here. Look at the 4-hour charts. Similar observation. It is definitely going to be difficult for gas to trade below 3.1 now. But see, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. It is indeed showing weakness here. However, let's wait for it to take a direction. Stochastic placed comfortably. MACD. Now this is important. MACD after hitting the bottom is now crossing over here, which is a supportive sign for further rise. RSI just coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, what has happened? See this formation. This is how it has been trading. Drop, retracement, drop. Now this is still shying away from hitting the bottom of the channel. The bottom of the channel is aiming at $3 zone. Also notice series of bearish candle, and this could mean a reversal, and hence once today it trades beyond 3.16, you can initiate a buy. Yes, this could mean a reversal where 3.2 3.25 could be seen, and then we can expect it to move towards 3.3, the next stronger milestone for net gas to break beyond. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading bearish, RSI at bottom. So considering this very simple, buy at 3.16, expect 3.2 levels, first target zone 3.2425 second, and 3.3 the next. Till 3.3 it's not bullish, prices can reverse again, drop again. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now only below 3.11 levels, where you can expect 3.08, 3.05 and $3 zone. Only and only if net gas trades below 3, it's a breakout on the downside. Stay bearish 2.9493, 2.86, 2.8, and then 2.6 will be there in the near future. It's not possible that it is going to happen today. In fact, I think it is not going to break even 3 today. But yes, these are markets. They do not deliver what you expect, and hence you have to be cautious. Just stick to the levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates for crude oil and net gas. Watch till the end. Watch that as well. Thank you.